Deep in the heart of St. Bernard Parish, tradition meets taste at the edge of the Gulf. At the heart of it, Atlantis Oysters. Family run, homegrown, serving up a tradition built on fire, flavor, and pride. Here it's more than just food. It's connection, it's community, and it's as fresh as it gets. Charbroiled, just right. Every oyster tells a story of the waters they came from and the hands that bring them to life. It's not just oysters, it's St. Bernard on a plate. Atlantis Oysters, family run, flavor packed, known across the coast for their legendary charbroiled oysters.